will come my way now. You will soon see me that she has no there. Ah! What is meaning of all this? Are you not? Ah! My phone, why are you begging me?
I beg, please, I beg.
No. You will do my phone.
See, nothing happened to your phone, sir. Nothing happened to your phone.
You already spoiled my phone now.
Just please, I beg. Please don't be afraid.
You beg. Ah, God save you. No problem.
Please, thank you, sir.
No problem. Don't worry. You are such a nice man. I even like you. I like the way you are doing. No worry. If seen another people, then we'll just go.
My own don't be like that.
Hug me. Good man. I'm a man like you now. Hug me. You can be going.
Thank you, sir.
My phone! My boss! I'm a man like you now. Hug me. You can be going.
Thank you, sir. Today.
You did say you want. You did say you want. Oh yeah, run now.
What's that?
I don't hear you.
Just take your things. Take your things.
You don't take my thing. See, let me tell you something. Now be everybody you see for street na gentleman.
Yes.
When your own power finish, na in my own start.
Accepted.
You never see anything.
Accepted.
I feel like turn you to rat.
Bro, please, I beg.
Stupid bastard.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you. Please subscribe to M-Star Comedy TV on YouTube to get more entertaining and more comedy videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe to M-Star Comedy on YouTube to get daily entertainment videos. Thank you very much and God bless you. M-Star is the best star. Thank you.